I don't know how they are creating such beautiful formulas at such cheap rates. Product is something which has been on the internet since forever. I have bought. Shit. Hey girls and boys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the products which I and you must have seen a million times on the internet. So let's find out, are they worth the hype or they are just influencer fluff? I am trying these products so that you don't have to unless they are amazing. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product is something which has been on the internet since forever. It is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and when I used it, अब जाके मुझे पता चला है that it is worth more than its hype. ये इतना अच्छा product है, and I am a sucker for lip balms, lip masks, and I have used quite a ton of products. And for me saying that this is the best one, it takes everything. So yeah, if you are looking for a very nice lip sleeping mask or lip balm, this is the one you should definitely go for. And अगर आपको expensive लग रहा है, आप इसे बस use करो, it is worth every penny. Second product is something Mars ko I have to give it this time. They are doing so well on the internet. Every other product which they are uploading is going just viral. It is their drip lip mist. I have used this and I really liked it. मैंने Mars के इतने products use करे हुए हैं ना, मैं offline Mars से shopping करती हूँ, मैं online भी Mars से shopping करती हूँ. I can make like a full-fledged video on Mars products, which I will surely make. If you are interested, तो comment कर देना. Coming to this product, it is a very nice product, and जब इसको आप मिटा भी दो ना तो it gives a beautiful natural stain on your lips, which is like very important for me. मुझे अपने stained lips अच्छे लगता है, and उसमें थोड़ा सा भी stain रह जाए मिटने के बाद भी, that is like a bonus point for me. So if you also like something like this, it is a beautiful product. You should definitely try your hands on this. And also Mars products are so freaking affordable. I don't know how they are creating such beautiful formulas at such cheap rates. Mars के बाद अगर कोई और product है जिसकी hype खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है इंटरनेट पे, that is Hyphen by Kriti Sanon. I have bought not one but two lip balms from Hyphen. Firstly, talking about this transparent one, which is like so viral. ये रोड की कॉपी भी इसको बोलते हैं, since they are the peptide lip balms जो कि रोड के बाद ही लॉन्च हुए हैं. And it is such a beautiful product. मुझे तो ये buy one get one में मिल रहा था. मैंने जैसी ad देखा मैंने मंगा लिया, because I really wanted to try this from quite a long time and I really liked it. मुझे बिल्कुल भी regret नहीं हुआ ये लेने के बाद. If you are looking for a very affordable and nice lip balm, you should definitely go for this one. On the other hand, this is my holy grail from now onwards. I keep it everywhere and I think जब ये खत्म भी हो जाएगा ना, मैं इसको फिर से मंगाने वाली हूँ. This is such a beautiful product and इसका जो tint है ना, that looks so natural on my lips. It is such a beautiful lip balm. I think ये hazel shade में है and it is so beautiful. And the best thing is they all have SPF, which is like what everyone needs in their lip balm. So if you are looking for one best affordable lip balm, this should be the one if you really like tints. I know Laneige जितने अच्छे तो नहीं है क्योंकि obviously the price range is also very huge, but if you are looking for affordable and the best lip balms, this is the one you should go for. अब PH blush, PH lip balms इतना ज़्यादा viral है, so I have also tried one. It is the Earth Rhythm pH Changing Blush. This looks quite transparent and it looks really very beautiful and very edible. And when I tried it for the first time, मुझे लगा इससे कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. But today I'm wearing this also and आज मैंने इसे अच्छे से try किया है and I really like it. If you like the natural वाला blush ना, this is the one for you and so affordable. So if you also want to hop into the trend of pH changing blush and lip balms and ये सब, तो I think आपको ये definitely try करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये affordable भी है and it works really nicely. Next is a skincare. It is the Cetaphil moisturizer. इसकी हालत देख के आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि ये कितना यूज हो चुका है एंड मैंने दूसरा वाला भी ऑलरेडी मम्मी यूज कर रही है. मैं इसे इसलिए यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ since it is made for dry to normal sensitive skin and I have वेरी ऑयली स्किन, तो मेरे लिए ये गर्मियों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाता है. बट इफ़ यू हैव ड्राई एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन टाइप और कॉम्बिनेशन, आई थिंक यू विल रियली लव इट. एंड ये मेरी मम्मी को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा एंड इट इज़ वर्किंग सो वेल ऑन हर स्किन. सो इफ़ यू आर ऑन दैट स्किन टाइप, आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली बाय दिस. नेक्स्ट इज द डव एक्सफोलिएटिंग बॉडी पॉलिश. मैं सच बताऊँ तो इनकी जितना भी ये स्क्रब वाले टब्स है ना, उसमें से सबसे अच्छा वेरिएंट ये पिंक वाला ही है. बाकी तो मुझे बड़े बुरे लगे उनकी फ्रेग्रेंस. जस्ट आई डिडंट लाइक देम, बहुत ही बुरी थी. बट दिस इज द वन विच इज लाइक सो टेस्टी एंड आप इसको खोलोगे ना, इट लुक्स सो एडिबल. इट लुक्स लाइक अ स्मूदी एंड यू रियली वॉन्ट टू ईट इट, ऐसा लगता है. If you are looking for a nice scrub, I think this is the one. It is such a beautiful scrub. मैं बहुत टाइम से इसे यूज कर रही हूँ, बट जब मैंने देखा that every influencer is talking about it, तो मुझे लगा मुझे इस वीडियो में भी इंक्लूड करना चाहिए. इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के अलावा अगर आपको कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे लगता है which you want me to try and they are very hyped on the internet, please comment down below. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. और अगर आपको ऐसी videos देखना पसंद है तो I've already made many videos like this, so go and watch them also. And I'm also creating a part 2 of this video. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel ताकि मैं जब भी upload करूँ आपको पता चल जाए. See you in my next video. Bye bye.